So let's quickly create a dashboard that will find all the files that matches a specific pattern and delete them. So let's get into it. So to find all files, you will use the find command, and we will start searching in the current directory, and then the type is obviously file that we are looking for, and the name is the pattern that you want to find. So let's say I want to delete all the zip files that are in my account. So I will do like this, and this is going to find out all the zip files, a whole bunch of files. These are all the caches, and um, I guess none of them is useful to me, so I'm going to delete this. So now we got all the files, so we just need to loop through each of them and delete them. So now to loop through them, we can use for loop for I in this. So for I in this command, this is the this creates an array, so we can loop through the array using for I in this array. So then do this, and what to do, rm take rf and $I, delete each of them. So now that is done. Start the loop, and once the loop is done, we write this. Now if I hit enter, that is going to loop through all of them and execute this command, rm take rf take I mean each of the zip file that is returned from this command. Now that is done, so let's see if we have any file, zip file. Some of them might be not removed based on the permissions. Like if I don't have permission, then it will not be removed. So if I check, we just only have one, so we remove all the files using for loop. See you in the next one.